Welcome. In today's teaching, I'm going to walk you through on how you can use the Zoom feature in PowerPoint. It's not like the Zoom app whereby you use for conference meeting, video conference meeting. This one is quite different. What Zoom feature in PowerPoint does is that it helps you to organize different slides in one particular slide. Don't worry, you understand this when we start the practical approach. Okay, so if maybe you have different slides and you want to summarize your presentation, you can use summary zoom to do that. Okay, so have some key slides inside that one particular slide just to summarize your work. Okay, there's another type of zoom option that they call section slide. It allows you to have different sections of that section zoom. It allows you to have different sections of your slide in one slide. And the last option is the one they call slide zoom. Okay, you use it to connect different slides. So let's jump on our PC and get some things done so that you know how you can use this feature. Okay, here am I on my PowerPoint with some slides I've already created. So I assume that as Godwin Tech Company, I have some other sub-arms whereby, okay, we give tutorial on YouTube channel, we repair smartphones, we have team of software developers that can develop software for people for their businesses. So we have electronic sales department whereby a different set aside building where we sell electronic products including refrigerator, television, water dispenser and sound systems. Okay, and the last part of this presentation is contact us, whereby if you have anything you want to reach out to us, you can just contact us through any of these, phone numbers or email address. But note, this is for teaching sake, so they're not working, they're not real. So that is it. Okay, now let's go forward and insert Zoom and create Zoom, a special Zoom slide here. Okay, so by default we're on the home tab. So let me return to home tab. As you can see here, to create Zoom in this presentation, click on insert. Okay, under insert there are so many commands and our interest is on zoom. So click on zoom, and then here I want us to illustrate using some zoom summary. Okay, so this allows you to summarize some important slides you have in the presentation. So I'll click on zoom, summary zoom. All right, so it shows some slides I have already created here on this presentation file. So but my interest is to show the services we offer. So I will click on tutorial, check on smartphone repair, check on software development, check on electronic sales. Okay, electronic sales. So these are the major slides I want to be my summary. Okay, let it be the summary zoom. After selecting the slides you want, click on insert. All right, so when you do this, a new slide is created. You can see the new slide here under summary section. All right, so this is now my summary slide. So if I want to summarize something, I can just come here and do that using this slide. So I can just call this summary. Okay, so let me just name it. All right, so that's good. So now if I want to present and I just want to just make a summary of what I have in this slide, I will come to this summary slide. Okay, but for the people, my audience, to see it in a larger way, I have to place this in slideshow mode. All right, so these slides are here already. So look at the slideshow button. Come down to the bottom right of your presentation of your PowerPoint screen. So click on this section. You can see this will be viewed in a full screen mode. All right, so it's coming up. Okay, here it is on the full screen. That is slideshow. So if I want to talk about the first section, which is tutorial, I'll click on this tutorial slide. So it will come up in a larger way in a full screen mode, so that I will tell people, look at what we do. If you want to get some content that will teach you on how to use software or maybe some applications you have on your phone, just visit this my YouTube channel. This is one of the arms of Godwin Tech, the service we offer. So after that, you want to go return back to the summary zoom. Just press, or will I say, tap on the backspace key of your computer keyboard. You'll return there again. So I want to talk about smartphone repairs. Smartphones repair. I'll click on this slide. It will come up in full screen mode. Okay. After explaining this to my audience, then you click back. Just click on the backspace key. All right. So it will return back to the summary zoom. All right. So if I want to talk about software development, whereby I make it bigger, software development, we have team of software engineers that can develop sophisticated applications for your company. Reach out to us today. Okay, so after explaining this to my audience, then click on the backspace key. All right, that will return us to the summary zoom. Then electronic sales, we have another arm whereby we sell electronic products to people. So after explaining this, still click on the backspace key of your computer keyboard. You return to the summary zoom section. So to exit this interface, click on the escape key of your PC. So you will return to this default settings. All right. So another zoom type of zoom you can insert in a presentation is one called section zoom, whereby maybe you have slides that are divided into sections. You can use this section zoom to organize those slides as one. Don't worry, I'll make a special set aside video for that, so be on the lookout. Also, there is slide zoom, which allows you to connect some of your slides. Maybe there are some slides that are important to you. You can bring them under one bigger family slide, okay, whereby you talk about them to your audience. All right, so these are just the few steps you need to take to use Zoom on PowerPoint. I hope this video helps. Please, if it does, please hit the like button. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. Also, tap on the bell icon so that anytime I produce videos of this nature, you get notification on that. Thank you and see you some other time.